Playing double stops on the cello is very rewarding. There's a lot of repertoire, a lot of great repertoire that requires it. But quite frankly, even if you aren't going to be playing music that contains double stops for quite some time, your left hand as a whole will really benefit from learning how to play double stops well. But then the question is how to go about doing it. If you just leap into it, you might end up with just tension in your hand and a very frustrated ear because everything sounds out of tune. So that's what I want to talk about a little bit. My advice when you're learning anything that has double stops is initially to learn just the one line, then just the other, and play them that way for quite a while before actually playing on two strings at a time. I want to learn how to finger both strings with the double stops, but I only want to play one melody. I was playing the Sarabande from the Fourth Suite, and I'm going to learn initially by playing just one string. But I'm still fingering the note on the other string. So take, for example, Popper Etude number 34. Instead of learning it as a series of painstaking vertical intervals to be tuned ad nauseum before even thinking about moving on to the next one. That's no fun. It's no fun to practice like that. It can be really quite frustrating. And it's not that fun to listen to either, even after you've put the whole etude together. What's much better is if I can play here. I'm still fingering both strings, but I'm only playing one at a time. And then later I just play the lower part. Then when I put them together, for one thing, it's going to be better in tune without me having to just feel like it's painstaking work to tune each one. Because my ear, rather than hearing two notes and one of them's out of tune and it doesn't necessarily know which one it is, has always just been listening to one note at a time. If that note's flat, I move the note higher. The other thing is that I've always been practicing them as linear things, as melodies. So then I'm still playing it as though it's a duet played by one person. And it's much, much more interesting for both the listener and the performer. So give it a try, take a passage in double stops, and go ahead and finger both strings, but don't let yourself play any more than one string at a time for longer than you think, for a long time. And then finally, when you do play them as double stops, you'll be amazed. It's so much faster than trying to go too soon into the world of playing them as vertical intervals. Good luck. Have fun with it.